In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Auto Trendlines Indicators on TradingView Pro quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get this indicator on your chart so you can spot key trends without drawing every line by hand. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The steps are the same. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frame and layout options. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the full Indicators and Strategies window, which is where all the tools live. Once that panel is open, you'll see different categories to help you find what you need. Here, you want to click on the Technical section. This filters the list down to technical indicators and makes it easier to locate the specific tool we're looking for. If you have trouble spotting it, remember that you can resize the window or scroll depending on your screen size. After you've clicked on Technical, you'll be inside the main indicator area. This is where you can browse or search for individual tools. Take a moment to let everything load, especially if your connection is a little slow. You can either scan through the list or use the search bar at the top of this panel to go directly to the indicator you want. Now, within this indicator section, look for Auto Trendlines. Typing Auto Trendlines into the search bar is usually the fastest way to bring it up. Once you see it appear in the list, click on Auto Trendlines. As soon as you select it, TradingView will automatically apply it to your active chart. You should start to see trend lines appear, connecting key highs and lows, which can really help you visualize the overall direction of the market and potential support and resistance areas. From here, you can customize the indicator settings if you like, such as changing colors, line thickness, or sensitivity, but the basic setup is now complete. Finally, if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock more charting features and indicators like this, use the link in my description to sign up. It's a straightforward process and gives you access to more tools, more layouts, and a better overall trading experience. That's it for this quick guide on adding Auto Trend Lines on TradingView Pro.